You got out.
I got out.
Praise God.
Praise the Lord.
God is good, isn't he?
All the time.
We can literally say we've been through the storm.
Yes. And I got out.
Amen, amen. We went down to Boynton Beach yesterday to a funeral. It's everywhere. You know, everywhere. But destruction. But God blessed us.
Yes.
God blessed us.
Yes.
He kept us. Amen. Oh yeah, he showed out big time. Hallelujah. Thank God that Pastor, we're still having church today.
Yes.
We may not have the lights, may not have the air conditioning, but that's all right. That's all right. Amen. We got each other.
Yes.
Amen. We go to God in prayer. Father God, we thank you for today. We thank you for your word coming forth. We ask that you bless the messenger, Father God, and bless those to receive the word that you have to bring forth today, Father God. And we thank you for all that you're doing and have done for us. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Everybody doing well?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. I heard Minister Angie was talking about, boy, you know, how it is to not have that power.
Yes.
Boy, a lot of people still don't have it. But you know what? They still have life. Because, you know, if they're around and realize they don't have power, that means they're still here.
Yeah, they're still here. You're right. Yes.
So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Today I want to talk about God's amazing grace and mercy. I mean, God knew about the storm because he was working me on this message way before the storm.
Right.
God, amazing grace and mercy. Amen.
All right, God.
Grace.
Yes.
Undeserved love received from another. Such as God giving his only son, Jesus Christ, where we sinful man can have salvation. Jesus suffered and he died willingly on the cross for you and I. And he rose from the dead. We have that unearned favor of God.
All right. Thank you, Lord.
Nothing you did
Thank you, Lord.
to deserve it,
Come on.
but God's grace and his mercy.
Amen. Amen.
Mercy, a person caring for the need of others and showing compassion. Someone who may have misfortunes or suffering. Nothing seems to be going right, but God's grace and mercy.
God's grace and mercy.
God, through the storm, he showed us his grace and his mercy. He swept down and over all of us and shared his love with us.
Yes.
He took care of us because there was destruction all around.
Come on.
Some may not be here today, but we're here.
Thank you, Lord.
We are here. We have a testimony
We don't take it for granted either.
that God take care of us.
Yes, indeed, Lord.
Yes.
And I've seen how people group together to help one another.
Yes. Thank you for that, Lord.
On the street that I live on, there was trees that fell that you weren't able to drive out.
Yes.
But God, I had a neighbor that had a bobcat.
All right.
And he woke up and we got together and he started clearing the trees out the road.
Yes.
And out of people's driveways where they can get the cars out. Nobody was looking at what color a person was,
All right.
what religion they was, what church they went to.
All right.
They know that somebody needed help.
Yeah.
God's grace and his mercy.
Unearned
He
favor.
showed himself.
Yes, he
in us.
did. Yes, he did.
And I'm thankful.
Yes.
I'm so thankful
Yes.
that I'm
Grateful.
still
So grateful.
Here, today.
Yes, sir. Yes.
God is good.
Yes, he is. Oh.
Genesis 44:1.
Yes.
And he commanded the stewards of his house, saying, fill men's sacks with food, as much as they can carry, and put every man's money in his sack mouth. And put my cup, the silver cup, in the sack's mouth of the youngest, and his corn money. And he did according to the word that Joseph had spoken. Joseph showed mercy, compassion on his brothers.
Yes.
How many of you have been mistreated by someone?
Yes, yes.
Come on.
But see, when the storm hit, we wasn't thinking about that.
Oh, no, not at all.
We wasn't thinking about what someone did or should have did. We just wanted to help somebody and helping ourselves.
Amen.
Joseph, he was in position at that time. You know, he could have just wiped them out.
Wow.
But yet he showed compassion.
Yes, he did.
God showed us compassion.
Yes, he did.
God showed us love.
Amen.
Yes, some people's houses flooded.
Come on.
Yes, some people's roofs came off. Yes, some people's cars was destroyed. But we're here.
We're here. What you
We're
say?
here.
We're here.
What you say?
Some still may not have power.
Yes.
We don't have power.
Yes.
But we're here.
We're here.
God's love.
Yes. I made a man.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord.
And sometimes we act up so much.
Yes.
Wait till I read this. Numbers 21:6. It says, and the Lord sent fiery serpents among the people, and they bit the people. And much people of Israel died. Therefore the people came to Moses and said, we have sinned, for we have spoken against the Lord. And against thee pray unto the Lord, that he take away the serpents from us. And Moses prayed for the people. And the Lord said unto Moses, make thee a fiery serpent, and sit upon a pole. And it shall come to pass that everyone that is bitten, when he looketh upon it, shall live. And Moses made a serpent of brass, and put it upon a pole. And it came to pass that if a serpent had bitten any man, when he beheld the serpent of brass, he lived.
He lived.
You know what? Through the storm,
Through the storm.
the serpents, I can just imagine the serpents. I don't know if y'all familiar with rattlesnakes and stuff.
No, we try not to.
Well, I almost got bitten by a rattlesnake and a cottonmouth moccasin. I almost literally picked one up with my hand. And God just literally lifted me up in the air, and I went over it.
Won't he do it?
He did.
You like that for the baby?
But the thing is that God realized that they had done wrong. They realized that they had done wrong. Moses, you know, we messed up.
Come on.
Help us.
We need your help now.
Yes, we do.
Pastor, we messed up.
We messed
All
up.
right. Yes.
Will you pray for me? Pastor, I need you to make a hospital call. I know I ain't been to church and, well, Lord, I don't know when I've been to church, but Pastor, can you come pray for me?
Well,
God is that way. Don't you know that in the storm that we just went through, everybody wasn't where they supposed to have been.
Yes.
But God still showed his mercy
Grace and
and his
mercy.
grace.
Yes, he did. Yes, he did.
And he taken care of them.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
That's our God we serve.
What a mighty God.
Why would you want to worship something else
anything else.
In
Go ahead.
that doesn't doesn't have the power that God has. Because I guarantee you, when that storm was going on and that wind was blowing, people wasn't sitting there and thinking about the devil. They was thinking about they wanted to survive. I got a funny thing to say. One of my brothers, y'all see him, he come here to church sometime. And he was sitting on his porch about between 2 and 4 o'clock in the morning. He wanted to see the wind, the power of the wind. Hey, I didn't go outside. I didn't go outside.
What's wrong with your brother? All right.
But he wanted to see it for himself. Oh. And where he lived, he was sitting on his porch, and there's a big oak tree across from his house. And I'm going to paint a picture for you. Y'all know Wizard of Oz? You know that apple tree that was throwing the apples this way? Well, anyway, he said that wind started blowing, and he said it looked like that tree started dancing and moving. And then he heard that wind pick up. He said he didn't look like he ran in the house. The power of God. Don't worry about it. Stay in the house. You follow what I'm saying? Stay in the house. Stay in the house where you're protected.
Yes, all right.
So he went and ran in the house.
We just saying that.
I thought that was really something.
Really something is right.
Well, he got a testimony.
So, yeah, he does have a testimony. St. John 3:14. And as Moses, St. John 3:14. Mm-hmm. Okay. And as Moses lifted up the serpent in the wilderness, even so must the Son of Man be lifted up, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. And Jesus came and he spake in Matthew 28:18. You don't have to go there. And saying, all power is given unto me in heaven and in earth. You know, we serve a mighty God. Why are you looking for some more kind of power or something else? He's saying right here, all power.
All power.
So that means all power. So whatever you need, all. He got it all. We must keep Jesus lifted up before, during, and after the storms of life.
Yes.
Like Hurricane Irma.
They will come.
See, some of us, it's fresh on our mind right now. The storm, a lot of us is frightened. But a lot of us, our minds was on it.
Yes.
I mean, just look around here, you see trees and stuff down. Yes. People really wanted to get closer to God. Mm-hmm. People wanted people to pray for them. People upset in the store. You know, I had that water. No, that's my water. Right. I mean, there were some stores that people was literally fighting in.
Fighting, right?
Because they wanted to survive. Yeah. They didn't know what was going on.
Right.
And now they return it.
But when the storm has passed in your life, where are you standing now?
Yes.
The storm is gone.
That's right. That's right.
But where are you standing now? God's grace and mercy is still the same.
Yes, yes.
His grace and mercy is still the same for you and I.
Yes.
Not just in the storm.
Yes.
Things in life happen.
Yes.
But God is a deliverer.
Yes, he is.
God is a healer.
Healer.
And
Yes,
he's
he
a
is.
healer.
Yes, he is.
Jill, is he a healer?
Yes, God.
Pastor, he's a healer.
Yes.
God is a healer.
Yes, he is.
God will take care of you.
Yes, he will.
In the storm and out of the storm.
Didn't he
God
do it?
is still God.
Didn't he do it?
So we need to rely on him all the time.
All the time.
Not just when you get in trouble,
What you say?
but all the time. See, we want to put God on a quick dial, like a microwave.
Yes, we do.
Lord, I need you right now, so I'll go punch in a little scriptures.
Right.
Lord, I need you, I'll go pray a little bit.
That's what we do. That's
Lord,
the truth
I need you,
now.
I'll go fast a little bit.
That's the truth.
Lord, I need you for this, so I'll make sure I look at the scripture pertaining to this.
Yeah.
But after it's all over,
You ain't picking up nothing.
we forget about God.
Yes, we do. Yes,
But
we do.
whoa, when we get in trouble again, God, I need you.
Right now. Help me, Lord.
Man, people were so, you could see the fright on people's faces. Because that storm, it covered all of Florida. All of Florida. 800 and some miles wide. Florida is not even near that. It covered all of Florida.
Yes.
When that storm started hitting the Keys, we was already feeling the wind up here. Because as it turned, the gusts. Because some people asked me, say, the storm in here? I said, no, it ain't up here yet. We're just getting the outer bands right now.
Like it.
But God still took care of us. Some people roofs totally blew off.
Yes.
Some people cars was moved around.
Mine was.
But God still took care of us. So remember that. Not just when the storm hit, but remember it now.
After.
Now God has healed you right now. God has healed you right now. God has healed you right now. God has healed me. So I'm not going to forget God.
Yeah.
And think about him when I'm in trouble again. And when I need him, he woke you up from the dead.
Yeah.
God. So quit putting God on the speed dial.
What you say? What you say?
We treat God like a lost friend. We go find him when we really need him.
When you need him. And only when you need him. What you say? Sorry, Lord.
God is so merciful.
Sorry, Lord.
He loves us so much that he's right there for us.
Yes.
It's like, what you need? You know, God is better than us than you are to your own self.
Yes.
God is better than us than you are to your own children.
Yes.
God, I know your children can come ask you something. And that answer is no, and you mean no, and that's no, that's it.
Come on.
But God, mercy.
Yes. Amen.
He's still there for us.
Yes.
He could have just wiped us all out.
Could have.
Yes, he could have.
But his grace and mercy.
But God.
He could have flattened Florida like a pancake.
Yes, he could. Thank you, Lord.
Think about it. Think about it. He could have allowed Florida to be flattened like a pancake. Some people don't believe that that's possible.
I do.
But I guarantee you, if some of you was out there and looked at that wind like my brother and ran in the house, you're probably, well, that's possible. That's possible. John 3:16, it says, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
For God sent not his Son unto the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved.
Yes.
Some people treat God like he's our enemy.
Yeah.
God is not our enemy. Sin, that's the one you need to get rid of.
Right.
The devil, Lucifer, that's who you need to get rid of. It's not God.
It's not God.
God gave his only
Yes.
begotten Son. It's only.
Yes.
How many of you have ever given up all you got?
No.
I mean, all you got. Have you given up all you got for anybody?
No.
Wait a minute, now your husband and your wives are in here. I mean, wait a minute.
No. No.
You ain't gonna have for them? But don't you love them? Don't you love your children? But God gave it all.
Yes, he did for me.
And get this. Jesus went willingly.
Yes, he did.
How many times we supposed to do something. And we go pouting and complaining.
What you say?
Yes. I'm going to do it anyway, but I don't want. He went willingly.
Yes, he did. Thank you, Lord.
Willingly.
Yes.
Willingly. What if God would have turned his back on us a few days ago? I'm really glad. God showed his greatest love by giving his only son.
Yes, he did.
You know,
My God. My God.
through our brokenness, through our disappointments, and storms of life,
Yes.
we have Jesus.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
We have the King of Kings,
Amen.
the Lord of Lords.
All the Lord.
He gives us peace in times of trouble.
Yes, he does. Thank you, Lord.
He's our rock,
Yes, he
a
is.
solid foundation.
Solid.
Thank God for his amazing grace and mercy. In Hebrews 4:16 it says, let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in time of need. If Jesus could speak to the sea
All right now. And he did it.
and tell the waters to be calm, peace, be still. There is nothing,
Nothing.
no problem, no situation that you have that God cannot take care of.
That's right. That's right.
Whatever problem you have, you take and speak to God. That song, speak to me, Lord. Speak, Lord. Speak to me. Lord, I need you right now. But you don't have to wait till the storm is raging. You can call on God right now.
Right now.
Right now, God is here, and he wants to bless you. He's blessed all of us right now. But you know what? God is like, I can imagine he's like, okay, what are they going to do now? I delivered them from the storm. Are they going to turn their back on me? Are they going to give more of themselves to me? Or are we just doing a microwave minute of serving and praising God? Just because we went through something and we're feeling good that God delivered us. Hallelujah, God. You're a good God. God, I thank you, God, for taking care of us. And then that's gone, and then we back to the same old, same old. Let us not go back to the same old, same old. Because, you know, other storms can stir up. Y'all know about it. Y'all know, right? Y'all know? Y'all know?
Yeah, they blame.
I guarantee you, people are thinking about that what's out there right now.
That's right.
Because it's taking that same path. But no matter if it comes to Florida, it don't matter. Because it's God that is our keeper. It is God that takes care of us.
Yes.
Some of us try to outrun things. Some of us try to outrun. But that Irma was Irma, right?
Yeah.
That thing, it came all the way. It was like a bullseye. I said, wait a minute, let me get my thing right here. No, I don't want to go. I want to go right down the center.
Right.
I want the outer line right with the center of Florida. And when I hit it, I want to be like the bowling. I want to knock all of them down. I want everybody to feel some effect of it.
Right?
So where you gonna run? Where you gonna run? God.
You have to run, girl. You have to run.
God. Yeah, right. I understand the backwards. I'm not speaking of that. Yeah, I'm not speaking of the backwards. I mean, we got to use wisdom. Now, I'm not talking saying go out there and take a swim in the ocean. You know, God is going to take care of me. No, I'm not talking about that one. But my point is that we have to learn to rest. I think we talked about that in Sunday school.
That's right.
We have to learn to rest
Yes.
in the Lord and trust Him and knowing that He is taking care of us. No matter where you go, you still need God. Wherever you go, you still need God. So if that other storm come or don't come, whatever, we still need God. And we ought to be, as Christians, we ought to show examples to others. Because people may not say nothing to you, but they're watching you.
Yes, they do.
They're watching and seeing how you write and how you talking. And you looking, some people looking, I mean, literally, there were some people looking kind of wild, like, oh man, I don't know what I'm going to do. You know, I'm just scared. That's basically what they were saying. But you got to hold on to God. You follow what I'm saying? So whatever your problems are, not the storm, whatever your problems are, whatever your situations are, whether it's financially, whether it's healing, whether it's relationship, whether it's raising your children, I hit it. It's God. I must have hit a soul spot. It's God.
Yeah.
It is God that is the one that's going to take care of it for you. Through His grace and mercy. Because I know what? Somebody prayed for me. And you know what? I did not run it. You know what I'm saying? I did not run it. I mean, I was doing things, secret things.
Praise Him.
And I thought I was okay. But I was doing some things. I mean, I wasn't out there selling drugs or getting drunk and all that kind of stuff, but I was a bad boy.
Oh.
But God saved me. God saved me. God will save you. I thank you. Thank you for God's word.